Yo, what's up guys? So this is Caleb NC Vlog TV at this is your host Caleb NC guys. So for today's video, we just already in afternoon milking, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we just already here in the paddock to pushing our cows or herd cows for milking guys. And look at our place guys, it's foggy or fog, and you don't know how to see some of other peoples or any car here because that place is a highway guys. And look at the sun guys, and that is our herd guys going to shed. All right, so we just pushing them. And okay, that's all guys. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and share my live for other videos. Bye bye.